project one to here, and hit enter twice, or spacebar twice, project to here, and project to here. Okay, so what I did is I'm gonna delete all of these. Okay, so what I've done is I've projected the line from the back of the building, the front of the building, and this face here. Now I'll draw the back wall of the building from here to here. Now how wide is this building? Yeah, we established this already, it's 40, so I'm gonna go offset, type 40, enter, pick this, pick that, now I'll just go trim. Again, pick the cutting line, hit enter, and I'll just go through these guys and pick that. So now I've got the back of the building and the front of the building. I just need to put the roofs on. Now this roof's pretty clear, it's a cross. I believe everybody sees that, so I'm just gonna draw it across. I'm gonna use my object snap from here to here, hit enter, again, a spacebar, there's my roof. Okay, now this one here, this line here goes off the middle here. How long is it? Okay, even though I know it's 2, I'm gonna draw it here, because what I wanna emphasize is that it's this long. This line and this line are the same, they're this line. One is in the top view, one is in the side view. They're the same line. So I would go trim, pick this, enter, and trim that off, and now I know that the same line, same line. Okay, and now I can just draw my triangle to finish this off. And there's my top view. I'm missing something from here, what am I missing? The door, hopefully somebody said the door, I'm just hallucinating. Okay, so I'm missing this recessed door. So where is the door located? First of all, I'll just turn off F9 and just use F3. I'm gonna snap to there. I'm gonna locate the door using this front view to locate it here. Okay, so I've located the door with these 2 construction lines. What is the depth of the door? How far is it recessed in? I can't hear you?
Half.
It's half, so it's 5 millimeters. Everybody can see that it's just not a full unit in, it's just half a unit in. So I'm gonna go line, I'm gonna snap to here, pull it up and type 5, 5, enter, hit escape, I'll hit the space bar to repeat the command, pull up, type 5 again, and then I'll just go across. Okay, now I can delete these 2. And now I'm gonna select these lines and I'm gonna put them on the layer that says dashed. Why did I do that? Because I can't see them. Okay, I can't see the dashes, so what should I do if I want to be able to see the dashes? What do I type? If I want to change LTS. Like I want to change the line type scale, so I'm going to type LTS. I'll do it again. LTS, enter. It says 1. I'm going to type 0.1. That made the dashes a little too small, as you can see. So I'm going to hit enter to repeat that, and I'm going to type 0.2, and the dashes I'm happy with that. Okay, so I made the line type scale 0.2. Again, sometimes you'll have to go bigger, sometimes you have to go smaller. You might have to do 0.1, 0.01. If you still don't see your dashes, maybe you're going to go 10, 150, whatever. Sometimes it's hard to find the right line type scale. Okay, so we've got this view done. I'm going to copy this and hit the copy on my clipboard. Okay, now I'm going to hit escape. Now I'm going to go paste as block. Now I'm going to put it way up here. Turn on F9 so I snap somewhere. I pick here, and now I'm going to rotate this. Pick rotate, select, hit enter. Pick the pivot point and rotate this down. Okay, so I've got this in a top view. So now that I have a top view and a side view, again, I do not need to count squares any longer. I have 2 views, I can get everything I need. Okay, so I'm going to get the the height, so I'm going to go to here, hit a space bar twice, go to here, because I see this is where it ends, go to here. I'm not going to do the peaks of the roof yet. Okay, I'm just going to leave it that way. Now I'm going to take the width, go down to here, take the width of the building from here to here, And now I can just go trim, enter, and get these. Oops. Doesn't want to trim. Okay, so now I have the end view. Everyone's comfortable with that? So again, right here, I have the end of the building, which is right there. And over here, I have the end of the top building, except I haven't got the roof replaced yet. Okay, so again, if you have two views, you can do it rather easily. Now I'll do the top roof first for the height. Again, I don't have to do any calculations anymore. I can just project across, and I can snap to the middle of that roof, right to there, and now I can go from one side to the other side. Okay? So again, I use this line to find the height. I use this line to find the location of the peak. Now I'll delete it. Okay, for the lower roof, same thing. I'm going to project the height from one side, and I'm going to project the location of the peak from the top. Now I can go down to here and draw a line from here to here. Okay, so again, I've got this one gave me the height, this one gave me the location. I'll delete them now, and now I have the end view. What's left to put in here? The door. Okay, same deal. I'm going to project the height of the door. I'm going to have to turn off F9 because it's snapping to my little snaps there. I'll go across like this. For the depth, I'll pick this one here and go to here. Okay, so this line gave me the depth. This line gave me the height of the door. I'm going to go to my fillet command, pick this and pick this. There's my door. We go to trim, pick the end line, hit enter, do this, and now I'll just go, I'll have to select this because I didn't keep match properties on. I'll put this on the dash line. Okay, so there's my three views. I'll delete this one, and then I got three views. Okay, so again, when you do this in your test, you'll do it on paper, so it's gonna be easier in many respects. I mean, you won't be able to sort of flip this over, but you'll be able to work out, sort of where this is, actually on paper. It's a little harder today. Okay, so I want you to address them, but I want to just